Hey guys, it's me Ashley again. Today I'm in my grandma's house. Today I'm going to be doing DIY slime. So sorry. First you're going to need is something to put in your slime. This thing. And sorry, I have everything back here. And this thing to mix it with. You're gonna need something to wipe your hands. Salt. And this thing. Okay. So I have this. So it has the dishwasher inside. Let's add the salt. I don't know if we have the old bag. You can use whatever dishwasher, just make sure you add not too much. I only add a little bit much, but I don't think that's gonna hurt it. Okay, so now we're going to mix it. We didn't clean this part. If it doesn't work, pray to God it does. Because if it doesn't, I don't even know what's gonna happen to me. I don't know how long we should mix it. I was trying to find the video that was trying to make slime. That had a person making slime, but they all had glue in it, so I didn't have glue. So then I found this video that some YouTuber made. A girl, it was dishwasher plus salt. So it looks like my grandma had this stuff. Of course she will. She has salt. She has salt and bag and dishwasher. I'm mixing it. Okay. So you keep mixing and mixing. So then that's how you make slime. Thanks for watching. Bye.